Members of Bajrang Dal on Wednesday held a demonstration near Delhi's Nirman Vihar metro station to protest against the communal violence during a Vishv Hindu Parishad rally in Haryana's Nuh on Monday. The police and intelligence officials are keeping a close watch on the protests as agencies believe that it could create a ripple effect of the violence in Nuh. Meanwhile, security has been beefed up at sensitive places in the national capital in wake of violence in some districts of neighbouring Haryana, the Delhi police said on Wednesday. The Haryana police on Tuesday said that the mobs killed a cleric in a late-night attack on a mosque, torched an eatery and vandalized shops as communal violence that began in Haryana's Nuh spilled over into neighbouring Gurugram, taking the death toll to 5. Launching a strong attack on Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar's government in Haryana over violence in several districts of the state, former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Mayawati stated that law and order situation has completely collapsed like in Manipur. Such communal incidents are unfortunate. The law and order situation in Haryana has completely collapsed, much like in Manipur. Along with that, the state's intelligence system has also failed, which is unfortunate and worrisome, the Bahujan Samaj Party Supremo said. An earthquake of magnitude 5.0 on the Richter scale jolted Nicobar Islands on Wednesday, the National Centre for Seismology reported. The quake occurred at around 5:40 am in the morning hours with its depth registered at 10 km. According to NCS, its epicenter was found at latitude 9.32 and longitude 94.03 respectively. Earthquake of magnitude 5.0 occurred on 2nd August, 5:40 IST, latitude 9.32 and longitude 94.03, depth 10 km, location Nicobar Islands, the NCS tweeted. No reports of casualties or material damage are known yet. In a separate incident on the morning of July 29, a seismic event of magnitude 5.8 on the Richter scale shook the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Renowned Indian art director Nitin Desai died by suicide on Wednesday morning. As per reports, he hung himself to death at his own ND studio located in Karjat, which is located at a 90-minute drive from Mumbai. Desai's body was found hanging with a rope in the morning at the ND studios, Raigad Superintendent of Police Somnath Gharge said. Incidentally, Desai ended his life just days before his birthday on August 9th. He would have turned 58 in a week. Desai was a 4-time National Award winner for Best Art Direction. He has been credited with designing lavish sets for some of the blockbuster movies, including Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Devdas, Jodha Akbar, Lagan and Bajirao Mastani, among others. In his career spanning over 2 decades, Desai had worked with a number of stalwart filmmakers, including Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Ashutosh Gowarkar, Bindu Vinod Chopra, Rajkumar Hirani and others.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.